In today's lesson, we look at grammar, and under grammar, our topic for today is pronouns. So before we even dive straight into today's lesson, before we even ask what a pronoun is, I believe at this point you should have taught nouns, or probably your student knows what a noun is. So basically, you all know that a noun is a name of what? A person, animal, place, or a thing. So in order to get to know whether your students really understand a noun, you can ask them to give you examples of persons, examples of animals, examples of place, and example of a thing. Person, you go for example like Kofi, Ama, animal, dog, cat, tiger, and all that. Places like Kumasi, Accra, just to mention but a few. A thing, we can go for objects like stones and all that. Now, having explained or after they've brainstormed their ideas with regard to a noun, then you can introduce what a pronoun is. So if they know that the name of a person like Ama, Kofi, they know a place like Kumasi and all these, then in simpler terms, a pronoun is a word used in place of what? A noun. So a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So with the nouns, we have names like Kofi, Ama. So if Kofi is a guy or is a boy, is a male, so Kofi will be used in place of what? He. Ama will be used in place of what? She. Because Ama is what? A female. And then with a place or a thing, we replace it with what? It. Now, even before they get to understand all these things, you also have to let them know that we have the first person, okay, the second person, and the third person. Now, how does this work? How does the first person and the second person? The first person is the one speaking. So, as I'm speaking to you, I am the first person. I, okay, I, me, I'm the first person. And then the person I'm talking to becomes the second person. And then the person I'm going to talk about to you becomes the third person. So let's do this. First person. Okay, so the first person represents I. I'm the one speaking. And then the second person is going to be the person I'm speaking to. Okay, that is you. I'm speaking to you. So you are going to be the second person. The third person is going to be the person we are going to talk about. It could be he or she. And so at this point, with the first person, we are going to get I talking to you. And then we talking about he or she. And that is the first person, second person, and then the third person. So we have this for the singular.